the virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Hello and welcome to the virtual whiteboard. So today I'm going to teach you some frequently asked questions from 10th standard mathematics from trigonometry chapter. So we all know trigonometric identities, right? So let us practice these questions that you need a little bit of practice so that you can do well in the exams. So here's a question that says tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So as we usually do, let us take the left hand side of the problem. So this is the left hand side, right? So tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now, I'm a little bit confused here because usually if there are two terms or if there are three terms, then I usually see if I can use any formula like a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. But there are no squares here. So this is where I need to use my memory, that this 1 can be written as secant square theta minus tan square theta. So I am going to write this as tan theta plus secant theta minus, open the brackets, then write secant square theta minus tan square theta. Because my 1 can be written as secant square theta minus tan square theta, I am not going to change the denominator. So the denominator remains tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now, this can be written as, what is secant square theta minus tan square theta? I can write that as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, right? So I am going to write tan theta plus secant theta minus, that is because a squared minus b squared is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta. Close the brackets and then the denominator remains the same. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now, tan theta plus secant theta, if I put a bracket over here, now this is one term, I see the same term here, right? Secant theta plus tan theta is nothing but tan theta plus secant theta. So I am going to take that common term out. I am going to erase the question and start continuing there. Now, if I take this common term out, tan theta plus secant theta for the whole thing, then this becomes 1 minus. So this term is out, it's the common term. So whatever I am left with is this secant theta minus tan theta. Remember to put the brackets, otherwise you are going to confuse the sign over here. Divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, right? So this is minus, if I have to remove the brackets, I am going to do it right here, I am not going to write another step because it's easy. So if I need to remove the brackets and if there is a minus before the brackets, we know that we have to change the signs, right? So this positive secant theta becomes a negative secant theta, I am removing the bracket, and this minus becomes a positive and I am removing this bracket. Now let's see, 1 minus secant theta, that's 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta plus tan theta. I have the same terms here and here. So I am going to cancel this. Once I cancel these terms, all that I have left is equal to tan theta plus secant theta. Now this can be written as sin theta by cos theta, because tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, plus 1 divided by cos theta. I do have a common term as the denominator, so I'm going to write this as cos theta, 1 plus sin theta. And this, in the question, was our RHS. Thus, proved. I hope you all understood this problem. Please let me know in the comments whatever you want to know, or if you need any more questions to be answered, please leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.